America's favorite rapping teacher and Chief Enthusiasm Officer for TeachMrReed, Dwayne Reed, is here to discuss the importance of continuing STEM education and offer fun and educational science experiments that we can do at home. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, so I think COVID-19 did illuminate a lot of those disparities and inequities that have always existed. But now that we're aware of it, Maya Angelou says, right? She says, I know better now that I can do better now that I know better. And I think we can do better by employing something like, 3M Science at Home as a free resource to help keep our scholars engaged in science, technology, engineering, and math. So what Science at Home is a series of video experiments that showcase a wide range of science concepts, but they also include step-by-step directions on the super easy, simple experiments. And it started when 3M recognized that learning had been disrupted due to the pandemic, and they needed a way to help keep our kids engaged in the science around them. People can watch the Science at Home videos by going to 3m.com/science at home. Check out all the videos, do them, send some photos to me, and have a blast.